Today I'm making a quilt using only one charm pack. It's the perfect project anyone can make in a day, even if you've never quilted in your life. I have this charm pack right here. I got it on Amazon. It has 101 very colorful squares. No patterns, only solids with one piece of each color. And my mind is blown right now with how many ideas I have in my head for this charm pack. So what would be the most basic pattern? No math, no fiddly cutting, just straight seams, full speed ahead. My purpose here is to show you that you don't need super complicated, labor-intensive quilt patterns to create something gorgeous that you'll feel very proud about. And you know what? I know exactly what we're going to do. I am doing 8 square rows, so I will be using 96 squares from this charm pack. That means I can discard 5 squares out of these, you know, those colors that you don't like as much or that are too repetitive. And I guess I don't need to say this, but if you want a bigger quilt, all you need to do is to add more charm packs. You know, keep adding charm packs until you get the size you want. It's a rainbow wash, and I am yet to find anything that doesn't look stunning in a rainbow wash. Nature really does know what she's doing. I would say the only thing we need to worry about is making sure that the shifts in color are smooth and that we don't create these big chunky blocks of the same color, because some of these values are really close. But we can keep this from happening by adding the next color to the mix, and that way we solve both problems. I'm so happy with this. Let's sew. When you're trying to complete a quilt in a day, there are some things you need to keep in mind. So pre-cuts are a must, we've covered that. The time you spend cutting fabric alone will ruin your whole schedule, and you haven't even begun to sew. You also need a very simple pattern, something that doesn't require a lot of cutting, and that's exactly what we're doing here. As far as sewing, chain sew whenever possible. You would be surprised at how much time you save sewing pair after pair instead of adding one block at a time to your row. So that's what I'm doing, and if it's an even number of squares, even better. We often believe that if you're going to quilt, it needs to be something complicated, something that takes effort, particularly if you're an expert quilter. And as you may have noticed, I am completely against this idea. There is nothing wrong about simple quilting, and with the right fabrics, the result can be jaw-dropping without you having to waste countless hours working on it. And I believe what we're doing here today is the perfect example of that. Look at what we're creating here. You've been asking me about making your quilts last longer and preventing color bleed, especially with these kinds of colors. And for me, it's all down to how you wash them. I use color catches sheets and the best detergent I can. Luckily, I have Blueland. They are the sponsor of this video, and I am so excited. Blueland creates planet-friendly cleaning products for your home. Tablets for your laundry, your dishes and toilets, spray cleaners, and hand soaps. With Blueland, we buy a bottle once and then refill it instead of throwing it away and buying a new one. Over time, the savings really add up. Plus, it reduces plastic waste in landfills. Their products are safe and responsibly made. No single-use plastics are used, not even in their packaging. They are all hypoallergenic and sourced from vegan and non-GMO ingredients. I've been using the laundry tablets for a while, and they work pretty great. They remove any sort of stains, even the hard ones, and we get those a lot around here with the dogs. The ingredients are plant-based, but you still get that smell of fresh laundry, you know, only without the harmful chemicals. For me, this holiday exclusive gift set is what I've been waiting for. It is a hand soap kit inspired by a box of chocolates, and it comes with 12 scents. Just fill with water, drop in a tablet, and it's done. And each one of them will last you about a month, so you get a whole year of hand soap made with all clean ingredients. And it smells so good too. I wish you could smell these through the screen. I just love the way my skin smells and feels with it. Right now, Blueland is having the biggest sale of the year. You can save up to 30% while you stock up on sustainable cleaning products for yourself or as a perfect environmentally conscious gift for a loved one. Just click on the link in the description or scan the QR code in the screen so you do not miss out. said quick and easy, and I am sharing all my tricks here to make that happen, but there is one thing you cannot overlook, which is pressing. So let's go ahead and press these strips real quick before we continue. We're making a lap quilt today, and as the weather is getting colder, the idea of creating cuddly, warm quilts we can use as we sit in front of the TV or the fire with a cup of something delicious really gets me in a great mood. One more tip for making sure you get to make a quilt in a day is to do some quilt as you go. And I tend to do this a lot because I have so much fun quilting this way, but it is quite the time saver. On a traditional quilt, you make the top, then you cut the batting and the backing fabric and you make a sandwich. Then you take that sandwich and you quilt the whole thing. With Quilt As You Go, you skip a step or two because you're finishing your top as you're quilting your sandwich. I also love using this when I have a pattern that I do not want to quilt over because it's stunning just the way it is. And with solids, I could definitely do some free motion quilting, but I'm loving the simplicity of it just as is. This is a 43 by 62 inch batting rectangle and a 45 by 64 inch rectangle of backing fabric. Let's place our first strip about 2.5 inches from the bottom of the batting and let's get to it. How quick has this been? Just like that, we're already building our quilt top, and before we know it, we'll be done. I know there are quite a few beginner quilters here, and I do believe this would be a perfect project for you. And the reason I know this is because that's how I started. I bought a charm pack, a 50-pound sewing machine, and I made this very teeny tiny rustic mini quilt for my cat. She loved it, used it for 17 years. You can probably tell. I will never get rid of it. Look at this, guys. How precious is this? Okay, one more time-saving tip I have for you, and you've probably guessed it, is self-binding. If we made this quilt the traditional way, we'd trim off the excess right now, then get some fabric, cut some strips, fold them, sew them onto the quilt sandwich, and then sew them again by hand or machine to close the quilt and hide the batting. With self-binding, we make the backing fabric bigger than the top of the quilt, and then when it's time to bind, we just fold the backing fabric over the top twice. Then we sew really close to the edge, and that's it. It's as simple as that, and it's the little changes like these that allow us to create a quilt in one day easily. And if I'm honest, by the time we're done, you won't be able to tell this is self-binding, okay? It will look just the same as a traditional one, even with the little mitered corners. We are done, and this looks absolutely gorgeous. Simple, quick, and stunning, my favorite combination when it comes to quilting. And fun, of course. I always have such a blast quilting with you. I hope you do as well, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.